7 miracle benefits of okra for your health, including helping to control your blood glucose, blood sugar, and cholesterol levels. Today, we're not just going to talk about the benefits, but we'll also discuss some precautions you should take when consuming okra. I'll also show you how to prepare it without losing nutrients and make sure it doesn't get slimy, because I know that okra's stringiness bothers a lot of people. I'm sure someone, your mom, your grandma, or someone you know, has told you that okra is super nutritious, but is it really all it's cracked up to be? Folks, that's exactly what we're going to explore in this live stream now. So, before we get started, I'd like you to write in the chat or in the comments which part of Brazil or the world you're watching from right now. And also, take this opportunity to tell me if you like okra and if you eat it regularly. I absolutely love okra and eat it every chance I get. What about you? Do you enjoy it or do you dislike it? Let me know in the chat and comments below. I'm also going to show you a way to prepare okra that's healthy, delicious, and will help those who aren't big fans become more familiar with this vegetable, which, as we'll see in a moment, has numerous benefits. So everyone, the first benefit of okra is the fact that it's packed with nutrients. It's also low in calories. For every 100 grams of okra, there are only 33 calories. It's rich in fiber, magnesium, folate, manganese, calcium, and vitamins A, C, K, B1, and B. It also contains a notable amount of protein. Because of these nutrients, okra contributes to your immunity, eye health, circulation, overall health, weight management, bone health, prevention of colon cancer, and the well-being of your gut microbiome, which are the beneficial bacteria that reside in your intestines. So, okra will help with all of this. The second benefit is that it's rich in antioxidants, such as polyphenols, specifically isoquercetin. It also contains vitamin A and vitamin C and benefits brain health by protecting the brain from inflammation and premature aging. Therefore, it contributes to improving your cognition, enhancing your learning capacity, and boosting your memory. So it will also help support our central nervous system health. The third benefit of okra is that it reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases, mainly because it contains mucilage. Mucilage, which is also responsible for okra's slimy texture, binds to cholesterol during digestion. As a result, the cholesterol from food ends up not being absorbed and will ultimately be excreted through feces. Polyphenols also have anti-inflammatory properties and therefore also reduce the risk of heart and blood vessel diseases. The fourth benefit is its anti-cancer properties because it contains a substance called lecithin, which in some studies, particularly laboratory studies, has been shown to inhibit the growth of tumor cells, and they've even demonstrated that this lecithin can kill cancer cells exposed to okra. Folks, we've already covered 4 benefits and we have 3 more to go. But before we continue, I'd like to ask you to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and show your appreciation. We're here on Saturday morning, July 6th at 10:34 a.m. And your thumbs up, your interaction with this video will help this content reach more people. So when you like this video, you're helping someone else discover the benefits of okra too. This vegetable is quite accessible and many people have it, but most of the time they don't appreciate it or give it the importance it deserves. But in reality, okra is quite the natural remedy. So help someone treat their ailments naturally, like with our benefit number 5, which is the fact that okra helps control blood sugar levels. Why is that? It reduces sugar absorption in the digestive tract, mainly due to its high fiber content. But be careful, okra can interfere with the action of metformin, also known as glucophage. So if you're taking, that's what Thiago does, and he's going to eat okra. Be careful, okay? The 6th benefit is that okra is beneficial for pregnant women because it's rich in vitamin B9 or folate, which is a mandatory supplement for all pregnant women. So it's essential for every pregnant woman to take folate, to take folic acid, because this reduces the risk of neural tube defects, which affects a part of the fetus that's involved in the development of the brain and also the spinal cord. So it's very important. Therefore, a mother who doesn't supplement with folic acid or folate will have a fetus at higher risk of neurological malformations. So, okra is a great ally for pregnant women. And our seventh benefit, folks, is how easy it is to add okra to your diet. When choosing okra, always go for tender ones without brown spots and make sure the ends aren't dried out. It's widely used in stews, mainly because of its mucilage, which turns into that slimy texture when exposed to heat. This mucilage helps give the broth a creamy, nice consistency. But if you're not a fan of okra or its sliminess bothers you, what can you do? You can slice the okra. I actually did this at home the other day. You can slice the okra and season it to your liking. Salt, pepper, paprika, oregano, rosemary, those kinds of seasonings, and put it either in the oven or the air fryer. Okay? This will make the okra less slimy, crispy, and also more flavorful, making it easier to eat, especially for those who don't usually like it. Another tip to reduce the sliminess of okra is to cook it with more acidic foods, like tomatoes, because contact with acidic ingredients also reduces that slimy texture for those who don't like it. Personally, it doesn't bother me. How about you? Do you have any issues with okra? Do you have any issues with okra's slimy texture? Tell me, what's your favorite way to prepare and eat this vegetable? Folks, okra is a crucial part of a nutritious diet, and it should be included in a healthy lifestyle as part of a balanced eating plan. But don't forget about the importance of physical activity, getting enough sleep, and managing your stress levels, and eating well overall. Because it's not enough to just eat okra. If you're not consuming adequate amounts of protein, if you're eating too much sugar, if you're not eating fruits and vegetables, if you're not consuming foods rich in vitamins and minerals, you'll end up with nutritional deficiencies. So there's no point in eating okra if your overall diet isn't healthy. Okra can certainly be part of a healthy diet, but we can't assume that just eating okra will solve everything. No, it's just one component of a healthy diet, one of many elements that contribute to good nutrition. So we always talk about this here every day, but it's really important that you develop healthy habits, that you exercise 4 or 5 times a week, that you maintain a healthy weight, that you prioritize quality sleep, maintain healthy relationships, avoid drinking and smoking, steer clear of toxic substances in your body, and also avoid toxic relationships in your social circle, because these can also harm your health. So if you want a complete step-by-step guide on how to have the best lifestyle in the world, all of which is scientifically proven based on thousands of studies involving millions of people, I recommend you read my book, The Longevity Code, 100 Habits to Live Past 100, because in this book, basically, to sum it up, I'll teach you how to treat, prevent, and reverse the main diseases of our time, like, for example, preventing cancer, heart attacks, and strokes, treating and reversing them without medication, doctors, or tests. Take note, diabetes, hypertension, high cholesterol, insomnia, anxiety, depression, obesity, all of these can be treated with lifestyle changes. Muscle pain, joint pain, all of these can be improved with a healthy lifestyle, which has no contraindications and anyone can put into practice as long as they have money. No, as long as they have a personal trainer every day. No. Is it because you're enrolled in the best gym in town? No. Is it because you buy the best supplements? No. Just the only condition is your willpower, your discipline, and your desire to improve. Got it, everyone. So, a healthy lifestyle is the best medicine you can take. It's a shame they can't put it in a pill for us to take every day, because that's not possible. Because a healthy lifestyle requires our effort. But this effort is rewarded with energy, vitality, health, quality of life, longevity, happiness, joy, a clear conscience, and a light heart. That's priceless, folks. So if you want to read my book, click now on the first link in the description or on the pinned comment. I'll also leave the link to the book here in the pinned comment in the chat. All right, everyone, if you want to get the book, now's the time. And look, Dr. João, I'm afraid of reading the book and not liking it. Guys, please pin this comment, okay? Check out the pinned comment to purchase the book. Today, I'm offering you an unconditional satisfaction guarantee. If you read the book and don't like it, don't worry. I'll refund your money, no questions asked. I'm taking on the risk of having to give you a refund. Plus, I'd have to pay a penalty to the platform. But I know the chances of you asking for a refund are extremely low, almost non-existent, because you're going to love this book. You'll thank me for recommending it to you, and most importantly, you'll thank yourself for investing in what's most valuable to you, your health and the health of your family. All right, folks, so go ahead and click now. The first link in the description, the link in the chat, or the pinned comment. Just click that link to get your copy of the book. It's a secure platform. Okay, everyone? So click here or on the first link in the description or on the pinned comment to get your book with a huge discount from $70, 00 down to just $29, $90 for the digital version, which is currently the only version available. Got it, everyone? Let's do this. The book is called The Longevity Code. I'm telling you to buy through this link because that's where you'll get the discount. If you search for longevity code on Google, you won't get the discount, okay?